Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is Jen with Home Yanez Plans, and I am back with another memory spread. For this week, I will be planning out the week of June 28th through July 4th using this stunning kit called Americana from Twolilbees. It's in gold foil, and it's obviously very patriotic because this was the week of July 4th. I'm really obsessed with the colors in this kit and just the way that everything turned out. So without any further ado, I'm going to lay down the base of the spread and then get back to you with the day today. So I do want to note that the florals that I pull in is a mixture of the mini florals that came with the kit and also some florals that I got from Sadie Stickers, which I felt just matched so perfectly. Above the date covers, I used the floral halves above the date covers, and then I pulled in a lot of Sadie Stickers mini deco and hanging stars. There's this like mixed mini deco sheet that Sadie Stickers came out with for a $2 Tuesday, and I just felt like it looked like little fireworks popping, and I've been kind of holding on to these until this particular spread because I was so excited to pull it in and make it look like fireworks. In the sidebar, I did pull in two Sunburst deco pieces from miniriotco, and a lot of the deco pieces are from the kit and also from Sadie Stickers. Okay, so jumping over to Monday, I'm marking my Zoom class the same way that I marked it in the last Twolilbees kit that I used, where I just pull in a piece of thick lace washi and then that scallop label from the kit. I love the way that looked. I felt like it was a really cute little layering technique, and I mark my Zoom class that same way throughout the whole week. I do pull in a piece of floral deco, and the mini shoe is from GL Designs Group. The next thing that I wanted to mark is that I hung out with my really good friend after the gym on this day. One thing to note as well, I did go to the gym every single day this week, but I did not mark it down, not even once in my planner. I know, shocking. Normally I mark it every single day, but I didn't on this week. I don't know why. But anyways, I wanted to mark that I hung out with my friend. I used one of the scallop circles from the kit, and the little house is from Crafts by Towie. I did pull in a divider from the Pretty Pink Co. I pull in one of those dividers every single day this week. I wanted to mark that I received some happy mail on that day, so I pull in a label from the kit, some more florals from Sadie Stickers, a divider from Sadie Stickers, and the happy mail sticker is from Crafts by Towie. And then the last thing that I wanted to mark on Monday is that my husband and his band recorded a music video for one of their songs that is going to be released very soon, so I wanted to mark that really special. I took one of the scallop squares from the kit and I layered it with a scallop square from Sadie Stickers, some florals from the kit, and some mini deco pieces from Sadie Stickers, and then the film clapper is from the Glitter Mama. Jumping over to Tuesday, I did pull in one of those floral midi boxes from the kit. I layered the cleaning icon from Crafts by Towie with a flourish from Bloom Paper Studio, and I just wanted to mark that I cleaned. We like deep cleaned our house on this day, so I just figured the word clean did enough. it kind of just got the job done. I wanted to mark that I did some editing on this day, so I pulled in one of the mini fancy boxes. I layered it with some of that greenery that came with, I believe that came with the florals from Sadie Stickers, and then the icon is from Crafts by Towie, and the edit script is from Planning Like a Pro. I pulled in another one of those dividers or flourishes from the Pretty Pink Co, but to change it up because it was like directly side by side with the floral or the flourish from Monday, I put a little flower on the end of that. I got that trick from Rachel at Gathered Plans just to kind of differentiate the flourishes, and I do that every other day. Jumping down, I wanted to mark that I made a small grocery run because I had to pick up a couple of things for dinner on this night. So I pull in another quarter box from the kit. I do that layering technique with the florals and then the foil divider from Sadie Stickers. And then the little grocery basket is from Wait Your Stationery. And I pull in another trick that I got from one of my favorites. And I put a bow on the handle of the grocery basket. I listened to my Office Ladies podcast on this day, so I pull in another scallop circle, and the podcast icon is from Crafts by Towie, and then I capped the night off by doing my nails. So I pulled in another quarter box, some florals from the kit, and then the nail polish is from White Deer Stationery. So jumping over to Wednesday, I wanted to mark that my sister-in-law had a hair appointment in the town that I live in. She used the same hair girl that I go to. So I marked her hair appointment because I also picked her up and hung out with her that afternoon. So I pull in one of those floral boxes from the kit. I layered some mini dot banners from Honey Inked and also Sadie Stickers. The hairdryer icon is from Crafts by Towie. The flourish is from the Pretty Pink Co. And the mini deco is from Sadie Stickers. I also wanted to mark that I had dinner at my parents' house, so I love the layering that I did here. I pull in a third box from the kit. I use one of those sunbursts from miniriotco and some florals from the kit, and that little cutlery icon is from Planning Like a Pro. I thought the little sunburst looked like a little firework. I don't know, I just love the way that that looked. I wanted to mark that I did some more editing on this day. I actually think I meant to write film on that, but it just says editing. I mean, I did edit along with filming, but that should say film and edit, but you know, it is what it is. So I marked that the same way as I marked editing the day before with the little fancy box and the greenery. And then to cap off the night, I got some more Happy Mail on this day. A haul is coming soon, I promise. And I marked that the same way as I marked Happy Mail on Monday with that quarter box, the florals from Sadie Stickers, the divider, and then the little icon from Planning World. Okay, jumping over to Thursday, I'm marking my Zoom class the same way as I marked it on Monday with the thick lace washi from Bloom Paper Studio and the scalloped label and some florals and the little shoe. Like I said, that's one of my favorite layering things that I do, especially with the Twolilbees kit. I love the way that the scallop label looks with the thick lace washi from Bloom Paper Studio. I did want to mark that I received an upsetting message on Facebook on this day. It really kind of put a damper on my mood. And I debated whether or not I wanted to mark it in my planner, but I was like, you know, let's make it pretty and make it cute. So I put in a little decorative scallop circle from the kit, and the little phone is from the Glitter Mama. And then I pull in another one of those flourishes from the Pretty Pink Co. I also wanted to mark that this was the first day of July, so I really wanted to make it cute. I took the larger sunburst from miniriotco and I layered the scallop circle from the kit over top of that. And again, it just looked like a firework to me, like the scallop circles like coming out of the center of the firework. And then I also took some more of the dangling stars in mini star deco because it looked like, I don't know, speckles of the firework. I don't know, I liked it. I thought it was cute. The Hello July script is from Rose Colored Days. Then I wanted to mark that me and my husband had a hair appointment on this day. I finally got my balayage touched up and he got a haircut. So I just pull in another one of those floral midi boxes from the kit, and the icon is from Crafts by Towie. Jumping over to Friday, I wanted to mark Zoom class the same way, and I have a Zoom class for, Thursday and Friday, and they're at the same time. So I tried to line up the thick lace washi and the label like directly side by side because, you know, they're at the same time and it would just throw me out. I don't know. In my head, it made sense. I ended up having to like pull up that sticker and replace it a multitude of times because it was not straight. I made it work, I think. I don't know. It doesn't, I don't think it's quite straight. I don't know. I'm overthinking it. Anyways, I then wanted to mark that I started filming this plan with me. So I pulled in another scallop square from the kit, and I layered another Sadie Sticker scallop square. Goodness, say that 5 times fast. Over top of that, I layered some florals from the kit. The film script is from Artbox Stickers, which is unfortunately no longer open. And the camera is from Crafts by Towie. I did pull in another flourish from the Pretty Pink Co. I told you guys I pull one in every single day of the week, and I'm running drastically low on them, and I need to make another order soon because that's like my favorite flourish from the Pretty Pink Co. and I need more. The next thing I wanted to mark is that I hung out with my mom all day on this day, which is awesome. I always love hanging out with my mom. So to mark that, I pull in another quarter box from the kit. Those hearts are from Clever Gal Craft. The florals and the divider are both from Sadie Stickers. Oh, I did mark a workout in here. Okay, so I am marking that I did a Chloe Ting ab workout. This, I think, was the day that I did cardio at the gym and then came home and did an ab workout just by myself. Chloe Ting is like a really popular fitness YouTuber, and I love her ab workouts. So I just did one of her ab workouts at my house. So I pull in another floral midi box and some deco from Honey Inked, and the little mat is from White Deer Stationery. Okay, so jumping over to Saturday, I wanted to mark that I woke up early on this day because I did have a balloon gig. So to mark waking up, I pull in another quarter box from the kit, some florals, and divider from Sadie Stickers. Same old, same old. I try to do this layering technique, I think, every day or every other day, just to keep the spread cohesive. The alarm clock is from Crafts by Towie. I pull in another Pretty Pink Co. flourish, eventually, and I do put a floral on the tip of it to kind of differentiate it from the day before. I wanted to mark that I put makeup on, so I pull in another one of those mini fancy boxes from the kit. The icon is from Crafts by Towie, and the greenery is from the floral sheet from Sadie Stickers. I love the way that I marked my balloon gig. I pulled in another floral midi box from the kit. I layered some foiled floral deco from Honey Inked behind the box. I got that tip from Teo Shantae Plans. She does this a lot where she'll take a foiled floral and layer it behind like a colorful floral, and she always makes it look so effortless and seamless, and it's like perfect. So I attempted. Don't know if I pulled it off, but I liked the way that it looked. The balloon bunch is from White Deer Stationery. The bow that I'm putting over it is from The Giving Girl, and the custom balloon gig script is one that my mom made for me. Then to cap off the night, I wanted to mark that I edited my functional July setup. So I pull in a foiled circle from Bloom Paper Studio. I layer it with some florals from Sadie Sticker. I pull in a lot of floral deco pieces from Honey Inked, and the edit script is from Planning Like a Pro, and the edit icon is from Crafts by Towie. Okay, so jumping over to Sunday, I really wanted to go ham in marking the 4th of July. So I pull in a midi box from the kit. I layer it with a bunch of sunbursts from miniriotco because in my opinion, it looks a lot like 4th of July, looks a lot like fireworks going off. I pull in some more of those mini deco pieces from Sadie Stickers and some hanging stars as well. And I don't know, in my opinion, it just looked like the 4th of July was bursting out of this huge clap of fireworks, and I really liked it. I liked the end result. At first I was like, okay, is that too much? It's too much. But now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, no, it's just enough. But anyways, I'm repositioning the florals because I didn't like having the two batches of florals on the square. So I layer those florals on top of the sunburst behind the square. And then the Happy 4th of July script is from Rose Colored Days. I had another balloon gig on this day. This was actually my long balloon gig. I was twisting balloons for 4 hours. Good times to be had. So to mark that, I pull in a third box from the kit, some florals from Sadie Stickers along with the divider, and the little red, white, and blue American flag bow is from the deco page of the kit as well. And then the custom balloon gig script is a custom that my mom made for me. The next thing I wanted to mark is that I watched fireworks. So again, I pull in this scallop circle and this sunburst, and some florals, which I just thought looked like the grand finale of a fireworks show. I really wanted to emphasize fireworks in this spread. And I really liked the final outcome of it. So I liked the little layering bundle that I did here. I'm repositioning it a little bit because the last thing that I wanted to mark in my planner is that me, my husband, and my younger brother kind of hung out because we all had events that we worked on this day, and we hung out at me and my husband's apartment and watched Ghost Adventures and kind of talked about like spooky stories, which we don't really get to do that often anymore just because we're all so busy with like life and adulting. And it was just really fun hanging out and, I don't know, bringing back some childlike wonder. But anyways, these are the leftovers that I have from this kit along with the Viv Wiggle. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jen. I do planner things. I hope everyone had a wonderful 4th of July. I hope everyone is having a great week, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.